Let us solve the next question. Okay, MCQ of matrices chapter. So the given question is f of x is equal to matrix cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is what, this is the given f of x matrix. Then which of the following is true? Then which of the following is true? So the given options are f of x plus f of y is equal to f of x plus y, and the B option is f of x minus f of y, this is equal to f of x minus y. C option is f of x into f of y, this is equal to f of x plus y. D is what it is, f of x into f of y, this is equal to f of xy. So these are the given options for this question. So let us solve this. Given is what it is in terms of f of x, na? F of x is in terms of x. Now what we have to do, we have to add or subtract or multiply with y function. No? So this f of y will become in the place of x. If it is in x, function of x, your terms are in x. If your function is y, your terms will be in y. So here cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay now. So now if we see the first option, on doing the sum we must get this. Okay now, on doing the sum of this, okay, f of x plus y, okay, on doing the sum you are getting cos x plus cos y. Here it is what it is, we are adding this 2 now, so it is f of x plus f of y now, on adding this. Okay, on adding this what we are getting, on adding, since we are proving LHS now, on proving LHS what they said, f of x plus f of y. So f of x plus f of y, cos x cos y, then minus sin x minus sin y, minus sin x into minus sin y, and then 0 into 0, and here sin x into sin y, here plus, no, we are doing plus, so here plus into minus, it will be minus, and then here cos x plus cos y, and then 0 plus 0, 0, 0, here 1 plus 1, we are getting 2. Okay now, so on adding this, on saying this here f of x, okay, now on adding these two functions, we are not getting in terms of f of x plus y, no, because if we do the f of x plus y, now we can simply substitute now here, if the function in x we are getting in terms in x, if function in y we are getting in terms of y. If it is f of x plus y, in the place of x we can substitute x plus y. So our answer must be in cos of x plus y minus sin of x plus y 0, and then here sin of x plus y, then here cos of x plus y 0, 0, 1. If this is what, this is RHS now. If on doing this plus and adding, we must get this, but we are not getting this, no. So our A option is correct, wrong. Okay, and on adding this 2 we are getting this. Okay, it is not matching. If we subtract here, okay, so what will happen here, minus, or simply do minus. If it is minus, you will get the same thing, no. Then this will get plus. Okay, minus plus. Okay, so what we are doing, on doing the subtraction, we are not getting in the same form. Okay, so our C option, B option is also wrong. Okay, so now let us do the C option, that is product of f of x into f of y. Product now, it is cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 1. It is multiplied with what? Multiplied with f of x, f of y, that is in terms of y, minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, On multiplying means what? First row is multiplied with first column. Cos x into cos y, this is cos x cos y, plus in plus no, here minus into plus, it is minus sin x sin y, sin x sin y. Okay, 0 into 0 0. Okay, no need to write. Next is what? Second row with first column, sin x into cos y, and here plus into plus, cos x sin y, 0 into 0 0. Next here it is 0 na, 0 into cos y 0, 0 into sin y 0, 1 into 0 0. Okay, 0 here. Next here first row with second column, plus into minus, minus cos x sin y, minus into plus, it is minus sin x cos y, and then here 0 into 0. Next is what? Sin x, plus into minus, minus sin x sin y, plus into plus cos x cos y, and here 0 into 0 0. Next here we are doing this no, so 0 into sin y 0, 0 into cos y 0, 1 into 0 0, and here okay, cos x first row with third column no, cos x into 0, we will get 0. Here minus sin x into 0 0, 0 into 0 0. Next second row with third column, sin x into 0, cos x into 0 0, 0 into 1 0, and here 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1. So we are getting this, and we know that this is the formula in trigonometric functions now. Here before the symbol, what is the functions here? It's both same function, cos x cos y, so we can use the cos formula, and here symbol is minus. In cos we have to revert it. Okay, now the age is x plus y. Similarly here take minus as common, then it is sin x cos y. It is what? Alternate, so your answer will be in sin and symbol will be same, x plus y. Here same, it is opposite, then it is sin cos combination, so it is sin, x plus symbol, so it is x plus y. Okay, and here minus symbol is there na, so it is minus here, and here what? Same combination cos x cos y, so your formula will be in cos of here, but it is minus. Okay, before sin combination it is minus, so you have to write plus here, opposite. Okay, remaining is this. So on comparing, so what we get here? F of x into f of y. This is LHS and this is RHS. And comparing these two, it is matching na, cos of x plus y, cos of x plus y, minus sin of x plus y, minus sin of x plus